Say claw clip 5 times in a row real fast. Claw clip, claw clip, claw clip, claw clip. Welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. Today I will be showing you this trending claw clip hairstyle. I use my clip-ins and a drawstring ponytail. Yes, I use the 1-2 combo to give you what you need. And I'll give you step-by-step detailed instructions on how to do this quick claw clip hairstyle. Let's get into this tutorial. We are going to start with a middle part, going to the back. And I always use my nose as a measure so I know it's right in the center. Then I'm going to split my hair from front to back in half, starting at the top of my ear and then dragging that rat tail comb all the way to the other side of the top of my ear. And that's my part. Now my hair is split in half. We're moving on to the next step. I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail. We are not braiding this down or anything like that. We are just putting it in a low ponytail. I'm going to braid my hair at the end just so it's no loose hair out. I'm going to secure that with another ponytail holder and just tuck it in so that it's in a nice little neat bun. Okay, so all the hair is put away. This is a nice easy technique, especially if you don't know how to braid. I'm grabbing my edge booster. This is my gel, y'all, right here. So I am splitting my hair into sections. It just makes it easier for me to slick my hair down, because if I try to do that whole front part, it's not happening, y'all. It's just not. My hair needs to be worked out in sections. Once I have all the gel in, I'm just taking my Denman powder brush, brushing it through, getting it really smooth so it's nice and sleek. I use quite a bit of gel, so don't be stingy. And then what I do, I take my Shine and Jam, my magic fingers. This stuff is magic, by the way. I just put that on the perimeter, like where my middle part is, my edges, and that's just like an extra smoothing, an extra hold, so I can get it real nice and sleek, okay? Then I'm going to put the top half into a ponytail just like I did the bottom. I'm also braiding it down, securing it with the ponytail on the ends, and then I'm just taking the rest of the ponytail and just wrapping it around the base. And then I have my cute little bun. Now for the fun part, I have my Better Length clip-ins. Oh, I just love the texture of these clip-ins. They work great. They come in clutch. I am just securing the clips right over top of that ponytail. It's simple as that. No one will see that little bun at all. It'll be completely covered. Look, it's gone. You can't even tell it's there. This is perfect for the girls that don't know how to braid. Then I'm taking my drawstring ponytail. It has a comb right at the top, so I stick that in my head. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And then I put in the bottom comb as well. And then once I have that secure, I just find and search for that drawstring. Then you just slide the piece up so that forms a ponytail, and I popped off the bottom. Okay, I try to put it back on. Mission failed. It's fine. We don't need it. Let's just get rid of it anyway. Then I am just making sure I tuck in the string and I get my little claw clip. And then I'm literally just flipping the bottom of my hair up. This is all just a ponytail, and then the other half I'm kind of leaving it down to cover up all of the clip-ins. That's something that you really want. Make sure those clip-ins are not showing, baby. Then we want to do the edges. Today we're doing edges. We're smoothing it out. I'm using my Ebin edge control on the sides, and I'm laying it down with a scarf. I have to do that every time. And these are the final results. I am so happy I did this hairstyle. It was so quick and easy and super cute. I hope you all try it. Let me know in the comments. Thank you all for watching my tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.